And good evening, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Preston Manor here in the Southlake Storm Team West Center, here for a video forecast for the evening of Monday, March 31st, 2014. Let's go and take a look at our weather headlines here. We do have a nice evening tonight. Maybe a few gusting wind conditions tonight. Otherwise, clear to partly cloudy skies, really fluctuating throughout the night. We will have some windy conditions, however, once again, not too bad, just from the south, between 15 to 20 miles an hour. And once again, there's that chance for severe weather Wednesday and Thursday, and even a little bit tomorrow, although I really think it's going to be rain, mainly on the day on Tuesday. Otherwise, really nice evening out there to get out. You can see the the flags are really flying. Even though our our weather station here at the Weather Center is showing calm winds, I'm thinking more like 10 miles an hour right now. Otherwise, lots of people out enjoying the evening. Clear skies with a temperature of 78 right now. Take a look at Storm Tracker Plus HD Doppler radar here. We're really getting a clean sweep. There maybe is a few showers out to our east, moving into Louisiana, but we aren't that bad. We are fairly clear here on the Metroplex. Just a few clutters, just some clouds in the sky. Not too bad though. Let's go ahead and take a look at the almanac for today. We hit a high of 81 and a low of 57. The normal is 73 and 51. However, the record was set in 1974 with a temperature of 96 and 1987 with a temperature of 28. We didn't receive any rain today, and our month-to-date precipitation is about 1.45 inches. Sunset tonight is at 7:47 p.m. Now, tonight's forecast. For Southlake, temperature 63, winds from the south around 15 miles an hour. Slight chance of a shower, although it's very unlikely, and partly cloudy sky conditions. Now, temperatures will be in the mid to lower 60s. Midlothian 64, Terrell 65, Dallas 63, Fort Worth 62, and Weatherford 61. Now, hourly forecast through 2 a.m., 8 p.m. mostly clear 79, 10 p.m. clear 76. 12 a.m. Midnight tonight, clear 74, and at 2 a.m. clear with a temperature of 68 degrees. Now, tomorrow's forecast, temperature 81, winds from the south around 20 miles an hour. Slight chance of a shower, not very high though, and mostly cloudy sky conditions. Might clear up just a little bit in the early morning hours. Excuse me, I'm a little bit stuffed up. A lot of allergies flying through the air, and then again, we are in that spring season. Bus stop forecast for tomorrow, temperature 65, winds gusting between the south between 10 to 15 miles an hour. A little breezy out there. Wind chill 65, not too bad. Once again, mostly cloudy sky conditions. You don't really need an umbrella, but just be prepared for maybe a slight area of drizzle. Not too bad though. Upper 70s to lower 80s though. However, the Metroplex, McKinney 80, Denton 81, Decatur 82, and in Dallas a temperature of 82. Now, taking a look at Storm Tracker Plus HD Doppler radar here, you can see this is our low pressure system that will make a track into Dallas-Fort Worth over the next couple of days, and this is really what's going to bring us a severe weather threat. So this is our setup. We have that dry line and that low pressure system along with a cold front there. Really is what's going to be some fuel to these severe weather. Tuesday, I think we're really going to see maybe some hail, severe thunderstorms west of I-35. Wednesday, hail, winds, isolated tornado on Wednesday. However, some models are pointing towards Wednesday evening could be a little bit worse than Thursday. However, I'm still going with Thursday as our severe weather day. Hail, winds, isolated tornado, and widespread coverage is really what I'm thinking for Wednesday. Even if they aren't as severe, I can see some more storms moving in. So what we're going to see is we're going to see this dry line really push through. That's going to start the first set of storms, and then this cold front is going to move through Dallas-Fort Worth and maybe stop a little bit to the west. However, it will make its way into Dallas-Fort Worth, igniting another set of storms, and a lot of the models are pointing toward a pretty widespread severe weather event. Wednesday, I'm putting us at a low tornado risk. Really, I don't really think we're going to have that many tornadoes. Maybe a few spin-ups, not really that bad. Hail, moderate risk, and wind moderate, even could be a little bit high in some places to the west. Wind at moderate risk, really gusty wind conditions once again, and flooding as low as these will be really fast-moving storms, and that's the case on Thursday again too. Our hail and wind, I'm putting us at another high risk for that, as it looks like conditions will be more favorable on Thursday. However, flooding is a low threat, and tornadoes, once again, is a low threat throughout the whole thing. However, I think Thursday might be the day that we can maybe bring low up a little bit higher. Now, this is our severe weather risk for tomorrow. The Storm Prediction Center put this out. This is a day one outlook. I really don't see the need for this, as I think it's really going to be northeast is if we're going to see anything, or maybe, to the west on Tuesday. Not that bad really at all, and it's a thunderstorm. It's not even actually a slight risk like I had just mentioned. I think we're going to see that upgraded maybe in our day 2 and day 3. However, this is what I'm thinking for severe weather. Wednesday, I'm thinking this is going to involve the whole Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and points to the east. And then as we move into Wednesday, I'm thinking we're really just going to see the dry line and the cold front as they have moved through, dropping temperatures slightly, not too bad though. And we're really going to see the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, but cutting off as we go into Parker County, seeing more severe weather as we go into it. Once again, we'll continue to monitor the situation. Taking a look at your 5-day forecast, as you can really see here, it's going to be nice tomorrow, 81, 10% chance of precipitation. Otherwise, Wednesday, Thursday, severe weather. Friday, 72 and a low 51. I really don't think Thursday that 0 is really right. Maybe just a little mess up in our system. Maybe in the lower, upper 50s to lower 60s. Friday, high 72, low 51, clear skies. And on Saturday, unfortunately, it looks like we're going to see some rain showers, high 77 and a low of 49. That's a 20% risk. Not too high, though. Be sure to send us in your weather photos. You can tweet us to @SouthLakeStorm or post them on our Facebook wall at facebook.com/SouthlakeStormTeam. Or if you don't have any of those social media platforms, you can send them to youreport@SouthlakeStormTeam.com. Thanks, Dallas-Fort Worth, for tuning in today's video forecast. I'm Chief Meteorologist Press Maynard in the Weather Center. Stay safe.